you can't finish so what solving problems in there reader. What I say, then any pain quantity, ebeba. If I try, yes, someone ye tape, catch and say, or be anywhere so bet me avoid the problems. What's the same way in then I always quantity problems, ebeba. But a quanya first react and now response to some problems now we face, you know, and the chess will be the year was the same one as a windy year because. Omo mo di ye no omo mo survive omo mo timi aye very successful ewo anamotuo bia na say bota bia na esio moni so ehwo no safo na yes omo anya challenges o enye so omo anya problems bia o omo so face challenges omo nya problems sa but ehhye pa bi omo di gu apono so ya omo di so omo timi discipline omo ho hye omo ho so say ade we na sese meye na matimi adie entimi ma de we metwitwa manam saa keka na mama njai ene pana na sa de pana sese meye no by be out there problem about the problem then you give in to that problem. It's because of enutino and amona utu nkura wejai because of one or two problems be our face here. Minua be ma utie me na awie problems ne de ebeba we ye den e kan ho ene e de bobra no now so problems ne ba kwan be na ofa so e find the solution to solve problems no we will be a problem by then you give up say problem abenti ene no anasi wa and now we will be a problem ba what na say edin we analyze the problem ni ye now hwe kwan ya obetimi afa so now what deal with the problem now what to aso akọ wanim obi na kan nasem or say in your life journey no okona ko meet wall in front of you are one, find a way to go around it. Find a way to go through it. What I say, find a way to jump over it. Whatever it takes to get over that wall. Now, it is up to you to come out with that plan. It impacts your problems, but a response, how you react to those problems now. And on the better, how successful you will be in this life. Fatu kutu bimne fanat na ebeboa. Yem first was dama MTN. Ene MTN Pulse na so cost den MTN Pulse and Chill. Na utie ya ubetimi abeye one of many winners on be winning up to 5,000 Ghana cedis of food and shopping vouchers. Any data be bring na I shall say from the 1st of October nyame Adom at the end of November and ebeko ewiye. Itikoswa na eto eye of favorite mashup bundles no on *567# and now on the MTN Pulse app. Now once wait me achede ye kan wan say maybe keep mashing up to win large. MTN Pulse just be we there for you everywhere you go. Terms and conditions apply. And they Techno mobile phone so now omode for frabeshum. The new Techno Camon 16 phone no ye guy. It got 48 MP dual front camera and a 64 MP ultra quad camera. Now capture images near the ultimate and part with the need the whole yipa. Your man immersive 6.9 inch full HD screen with dual dot-in display camera. Come pa. Now your man of flash charge. They say nipa anytime. Your phone basic charge. Now several hours. Need to 200. We are pa. Na about 200 na ona oseno na ejinemu saa de mawa ubetimi store app on a mega 128 gig ROM plus 8 gig RAM ya chese your favorite apps movies na games ni na no ejina baby papa kama pa ti ban san count there from any Techno accredited shop BM nationwide na utie ya betimi nya 12 gig Vodafone data na fe 100 days screen warranty any other amazing freebies attached. So don't get left behind. We are on to the next level with the new Techno Camon 16. Cindy Rice did 20 years no guswa as celebrity or so bit me don wa jimbi. Now we know kwan aye fashion near there achede so kwama ye loyal customers. It is assorted range of gifts any demo from washing machines to LED TVs to sound systems, microwave ovens, refrigerators, smartphones, blenders, rice cookers, gas cylinders, gas cookers, and so much more. That's why very simple. Talk 5 kg bag of Cindy rice. Now the oben who mubiano eodia. We also shall share from the 1st of October, Nyamanya Adomwa, on the 31st of December, and a bebe. Tifoundation be Nedaya Ubenya Bibi Ewini. Celebrate 20 years of Cindy Rice. Continue to enjoy Cindy Rice and win big. Cindy rice, sweet aroma, great taste. I feel live strong with iron. Live strong with iron. And then Chibia make us say, oh, he gift the auntie about Betnasi. And then last hour, your baby bisa questions, no. Utie ya, ubenya chede, hampa goyi now the coffee. And they make a one said the solution to iron deficiency anemia is very simple. Cry, said the old now, ni na so be the iron rich foods. It is a contumely, a leaf food, boko, a gushi, a fair red meat, fish, eggs, iron, fortified foods, iron fortified cube spices in nano. DB, the bet me up boy yipa, by hashtag the memoir rent free, live strong with iron. Sans Adriane de noir, any iron, enuane, na bibia so I find. Yes, a hoden dear, a hoden dear, and no any iron, enuane, as obenya hodea. Not just say ifi iron enuanemu sabepe na etie na afi in boost herbal mixture adruso the omune say adro we ama anka coronavirus ba yi ke de Ghana fo bibiri ko e banyamen cha de ansa na koro beba no na in boost herbal mixture badada a chese ya giatum anunum bia ma chese ya boost immune system na mai ba we etie ba ya kra ya o bo na ogina na so still na koro wati ahwe wantimi an survive crime iti bomodin a na epebi achi akwan nenom na eye pa aside say ma immune system na strong no de eye pa so no say eno a wura system no mu a wo check ba bia problem bi wo bi kura wa kura wunya hu say wo sa problem no eno a be kwa akohwe na kele sa problems ni na de few system no na why free to be am pebi achi akwan wo yare utimi num bi eno ano no na una wo sin Kings walk about Kanshi Drug Lane, Bibri or Okoye Tema Community 5, Little George Health Shop, and Nekram call Bibri or Afe Ekus Pharmacy, Widama Pharmacy, Travel Judah Pharmacy. All talented and dependable about shops across the country. Be on Afe Health Alert Shop at St. John's, and also call Benyabi. And yes, I know I'm 0243 115 948 and 0246 208 496. Ye don't masse so so yan cinema yeti asem we ditu ye hofo nemom insurance hu hia etia na wakai serene insurance na onyomo so atu anamo obra na wo bon unnim de betimi ato e wa bra aguso ko wanimu yi etise ko ba se bibi na bebo akwan mu kra na esan se odo ho abo serene insurance ntino obetimi abo se be ya obetimi asan gina na so biem na wato aso na obra kwantu yi watu akọ wanimu ni nyina mu ene isa corona ne ade ade nti se oba na ne be transekra na be police bia we nchen a yesa ma wache de bibiri yeah coronavirus ya kade ahodo a betimi de abo ho ban no ni nyina bi ewu mu nti bomoden aso be we chi akwan na woni ye ahwe abom Serene Insurance, the new face of insurance. Ebra na so say ye de live strong with iron ebra wo she no so say ahoden de eno a ene iron enuane. Said you me kan kan no ohne yere gift anti atena se etia na ba behwe omo mti be ye yom betimi anya achede no hampa se goyi ene ede ma o ahomeka o bruta ohne yakoba
ya me de
na empom ti say
nyame adom me ho ye
nice
na se me dia se ese wo je se me wo ho powers ma me ne bia oye wo number 1 fan
sa
wo if anything na mensa wo GTP
sa
na chese opewase mama enti se me kona se o chen ham se era ma we fi se Jerry Jackson se bi aketo wo ya me ka Jerry Jackson se wo ye ni papa so da o he me yesa
oh tina me tu chama wa te me cha pa
me do post ya keto
eno no
na nyame ase so se wa che be buso mienu ni start radio sa ye ba Thursday bia no and then the last day se ne o ti kan ye no ye bompa se especially mbano bebre be nyame sremo eno an sa yo ho de ru na ne ebo sa ho de benya pomodin ni na ne ayoni nnuane a wobenya iron in the sources remain two main sources a plant source ebi ha yenya wo nnuane a yedua mu ne ade na ebi wo ha animal source say enamu ni eyi ne sanyoma na ni nyina no na ensuo enamu de no eno na eno no etumi direct body etumi de ye juma pa na am tempana se wobedi eyi so a haban mu de na plant de na they make sure say we are no di vitamin C eguso yes remo bosumi ebekwa ewie ye nkofo be start call politics here and there we hia ahoden yes remo mundidi ye na wo nkwa wo adi nyina
eno de eno ana waka no etiefo aya na me kan o me say ye di nkomo na no na answers na wo mu no asemu a ohiri aka sesi yi no
me sheda pa
asemu na o ka sesi no just say answers pa no de amamoro na mu ni uti do them no be activate phone lines nti but o metimi afre sesi 0302 216-561 afei 0302 216-562 ofra obe answer 3 questions omodin bo na beche se ubenya hampa ne bi ana wunya bi mpacho sa hampa we on wunya bia Christmas 2020 Christmas bana obi a nche ohwe kra we okay
I tell you
because any pair was a hampa we mu no too much too much
me nebio that bini salome ne yuti
o baby o na na we amon for ba no mo be swade esika because ana ye
what if you say na wa kwa ya do dia we
how me come pa enti me patcho bills yen sha sem fa course no na yen hwe modern boy ne so amanfo ebetimi abo hello 0302 216-561 afei 0302 216-562 na said the medical can offer 3 questions na pa wabagum na yahwe said the ebesi akọ afa na said the mia ohinere start ya program say hey we there papa no dia mama for no apokokru efeli apo efeli
obi obefeli mecha na ba
adi wa want me look sharp pa no there not just say why especially say the first 3 questions you want to say say ni na omu ho pa but say the work no ye be person ye ni be gi say man no so in particular betimi abom homode wo mu pa na
omotimi because if any be pray or why man no na hwe aduane omunuane decided
I mean almost all homes say man na because wo be ma be ko ya de o na obedi ya so oba no timi etiwe ya se yie no no make sure say iron intake no be e be boa family ni na tie man no mo menye mo asemiya pa ye try hello good afternoon it's the same
Adom.
All right, Patrick from say.
Comfort.
Sister Comfort.
Yes.
The Patrick, why are you ready there?
Fine.
All right. Our first question. Mame, at least 3 examples of enuanea a very rich in iron.
The pastor. Enuane are very rich in iron. Nkontomre. Alefu. Abisi.
Okay. You call on next question.
I promise you.
Me pacho iron wow. Ayenya efi plant food emuno. Bibi te say kontomre ya wa kan yi. Eno no na eye very easy pa say eni padua yi ebetimi atwe iron no afri mu. Eye no kre ana eye no kre.
Me pacho mo kwa no ko tem ti san bread.
Me say iron ayenya fi eye plant food emu. Te say kontomre ya wo kan yi no.
Pacho yo.
Eno na eye very easy kra say obody no betimi atwe iron no afri mu. Eye no kre ana eye no kre. Ubi afile or any day. Okay, you go on last question. oh me patch already you know I'm so we be no do
That's on it, yeah.
Okay. Tio question way or say what should you do to make sure that your body uses as much iron as possible from your meals? Aduane na wudi no eden na wobetimi aye na aboa ma nipadua no atimi anya iron atwe iron no ede afi aduane na wudi no mu mo pa.
Pastor, so baby,
me ba o say
Pastor, so ubedi area no e di fruits aka ho.
Fruits with sense ah.
Pastor orange.
Hold my mom is someone now. Question no crowd na senka. Me more options we need but options now my ba what me you know. Yeah that's why I answer with 3 questions na we you know. Cause we tie na obeti enka our second question there. Oh yeah me yeah na there. All right, so yan to aso na yan fire next caller. Bills next caller are ready. Hello? Okay, hello. Hello?
Yes.
Oh. Hey, on one or something. Okay. Hello?
Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon, boss. Your friend say.
Your friend is Salom.
Salom.
Yeah, Emmanuel.
Okay, Emmanuel Salom.
Yeah.
Ima.
Yeah.
Question idiot. Okay. Ima.
Yeah, brother J.
TOT. Or say.
Amazing.
What is the right time to consciously choose to eat iron-rich foods and iron-fortified foods? A bread bank pan is a word to me. You don't say at this time. As a mitimi ya na duania midi no. A iron-fortified food and I say iron-rich foods.
Right, Right, ready, Anopa.
Salom.
Right,
Hey, Anopa. And you ready? Go on. Okay. Young call on next question.
Yeah.
What is the slogan for this campaign? Live strong with iron. Yeah, can just to say. Hey, Salom. Hey, Salom.
Hi, Roger. Ready and pretty.
The cheapest one. Also, okay. Mame found call the previous
First question.
First
question.
The lady no.
Debbie. First question and Nadia no.
And Nadia no first one. The example. Okay. Mame. At least 3.
Number 1, increasing iron
in
family.
Okay. Sir. Question you am marrying. Okay, Tio, where our last one, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
Increasing iron-rich foods in family's diet can help prevent iron deficiency anemia. True or false?
True.
You, Salom. Yeah, that's why. All right. Yamfa, your next caller.
Question 2. No, so last week obi enya.
Okay. All right. Hello.
Hello.
Me patrol radio no dum no why na maso me sro be. Yeah, bro say.
But me the
Georgina.
Yes.
Okay, Georgina.
Yes.
Why ready? Okay, so Georgina, we are very simple. What are the 2 main sources of iron in food?
The 2 main sources
of iron in foods.
Build your body. 1.
Debut. Tie question here. Iron here I can want some way I can. Yenya from sources be na ayo 2. So 2 sources there yenya hefa na yenya iron ifi.
Yenya from plants. Plants and aduane ayedinfu. Aduane
ayedi na say the aduane bi ayedi na mom no aduane ayedi bi a plant bi eti plant ne den what can plant dey enti aka dey.
Vacuno animal.
Hey, oh man, that's your first week. Okay, wait there. When you say, you know, me form question you must see ana. Enti plant animal now can see ano. Mame 2. You betimi anya iron e de afim. Every plant mu but animal mu.
But chicken 1.
O say
Animal chicken.
Okay,
there be animal sources no ho. Emu de ehin na ye ubetumi bubo bi. Say animal sources na ye do. Ye wo emu bebre. Enti e bit said de ehin.
Animal source.
Okay, o de do the also then to was chicken na there. And I then.
I saw.
Oh, bebre o.
Animal chicken, but a cow.
Hey. Okay, say red meat.
It's red meat.
Red meat beat me a cow. So I mean, yeah, you can cram one from why? What answer how many questions?
But what 2?
2. Oh, you know, the last one be a man.
Yeah, share slogan. Say bitra.
Slogan.
Slogan. Say say live strong with iron campaign. Your slogan here, dear.
Enti ade da bia betra ye can live strong with iron is I say and
live strong with iron to build your body.
Oh,
that will build your body up. It will build your body up.
Now
where you tree mu you can wo tree mu you can wo tree
to build your body Wow, she did not drop it. Oh.
Yes, she will try to you be share. Slogan need also be nyane.
Oh,
also be nyane. Last one and I
last one. I am fine last one. Hello. Hello. Me patrol wow man so no yan kasa hello.
Hello.
Your friend saying
Hilda.
Okay, Hilda. First question. What is the slogan for this campaign? You can't try. You just saying, live strong with iron.
Eat healthy.
Oh, Debbie.
Hello.
Cheeky, I don't know, sir.
Debbie anti-betrans, I mean, so live strong with iron. Is I say, and one, I won't say.
Hello, Hilda.
Yes, Hilda. Hello.
Yes.
And you also wouldn't wrong. Hello. Hilda.
Yeah.
Then.
Debbie, I baby, make us answer me.
It's healthy.
No.
Oh, Hilda. Yeah.
It's in tree. A tree.
Hilda said the idea. Said you say a call. Next question. Why? Or in a Robertman be one.
Yeah, a slogan and I have me so many. Okay. Yeah, okay. Maybe so iron deficiency no. How much need to me a how mo pa?
In color any my painful.
Okay. And then your final question.
Final question no. In color no. A day son to me how more a day say iron deficiency in color say a color or iron deficiency or better than away
concentration no lowered and I think so failure to thrive only
why I did
fancy word Monko 20 now mobeti the list of winners no by announce very soon no huna
slogan I am yaso be
strong with iron na mo wutimi hu se de eje so da bia betra se kan ahoden de no ane ayo nuane simple keke na ikra anyways it's your
and then your last program quick recap no iron deficiency no in hwehwemu aya ne say Ghana for bebre o fa nkola o ye below 5 years wo ye mu 10 emu nsia and a iron deficiency. Emu 66%. Ofa apem for wuyi emu edua 10 emu 4 there war iron deficiency. By your so mudu age or mubu musa menstrual go through menstruation no baby during their menses and after menstruation no iron deficiency to me ST in it to me bema so it to me how more the other time you started and media yeah they be a me can bema uko yeah yes brother aha uko mpemu a won't me JB or iron deficiency and it to me ma why you better ye nyina no bi so ya no pa utia o ya unima de crow wunia why you better be won't me concentrate hard dream pa yen nuanom ba omuni so omukọ akọ bebre wo ho a ebi wo ho a na okwa one baby and through pregnancy no na wahre ne kwani na iron deficiency nti yesrem say induane iron deficiency na ye baako ade baako a uto prevent nyoma wo hia say dey prevent very cheap kontomre alefu abedru dawa beans ni nyina ebi wom na fish nkosua eggs and a red meat chicken ni nyina wo iron wom a wudi a ebetuma aboa wo nkonya deficiency yibi na plant based no kontomre ni ade no wudi a no dey make sure so wudi wia na with the vitamin C fruits bia vitamin C wo ekutuo pawpaw pineapple ni nyina bi wo no wedi a eguso ehu hia pa yesremo and na ye wo iron fortified foods so be you see spices shania iron wom wo be you see oil bi wo ha flour e bi so milk powder e bi wo ho so ye fortified with iron wom ni nyina no wo betumi use nti yesremo pa say mamu fan to fem wo your painful call hospital ye ma wo iron tablet make sure say wo befa pa and no folic acid no vitamin C ni na wo befa or painful so unya wo na nyame ya Adom no o ma onufunsuo na make sure say 6 months exclusive breastfeeding wo be ye na wo moving it to aduane after 6 months and aduane obe mani na make sure say wo dey iron aduane be fresh powdered fish show kontomre ni ade you just say nyoma wo dey be fra no na amane nyakola ne enya hoɔden eno nyoma ne de eye bebre na yedamase so say but so me ensani aye start ye no mo ne ye edise dwumai na mo etie ye asompam ye besre mo se mo be diso
de mo tie ni nya mo practice no ye
jam ho ye njam kwa ye ne e bom pa ya momo ye nya opportunity bia so ye beka ho asem ne dia remind mo mama ma elections ye be consume bibia dwe ho da be life after elections enti wo hwe ho ye na wo koye politics hwe ho ye didi ye na nya ahoden wo to abani wi a kofie na chorist na wo nkwan hia wo won kwa wo adini na kai so se ahoden de enua ne ayonuane nyamisha munina
o sha won so eda wase pa so won so devote you time na throughout the year period ni na no one esinkonwa na yetimi yedwumadi ama ayefefefe kama na meaning say a long way to help many others out there party
na me say the Nestle first was so almost was that way no na but mom nkotin ne hope say next year so be say
almost because
ahode de no ani iron ena yenda na so ase na so ase na so yeda na say ya fe say any team ni na Debbie Salome obi a yeda obi ase
but omom refi so ombe man so hampa so omde oh yeah that's it
yeah that Adom so ase just yeah that was so far yeah that was nyamisha
we shall so ala busuanti say na ye de esi na ye beto aso akwani manche bia no I say squad no omo around ti ye de get sports beto aso but before that no